Linux skills that increase your value. Linux powers much of the modern technology world. Most cloud servers run Linux. Many cybersecurity tools are built for Linux. Data engineering and DevOps environments rely heavily on Linux systems. Yet many professionals avoid learning it. That is a mistake. Linux skills immediately increase your value in the job market. You do not need to become a Linux administrator overnight. Start with the fundamentals. Learn how to navigate directories. Understand file permissions. Practice managing files and processes. Become comfortable using the command line. The command line is where Linux becomes powerful. Tasks that take multiple clicks and a graphical interface can often be completed with a single command. Linux also teaches valuable concepts. You gain a deeper understanding of operating systems. You learn how servers function. And you become more confident troubleshooting technical issues. Cloud platforms frequently require Linux knowledge. Cybersecurity professionals use Linux extensively. DevOps engineers depend on it daily. The demand extends across multiple career paths. The learning curve may feel intimidating at first, but the rewards are substantial. Linux is one of those skills that quietly separates beginners from professionals. Invest the time to learn it. You will use it throughout your career.